Thinking about hair transplant? At Capeltech, we offer you high-level medical experience in Medellín, Colombia, with natural and permanent results. We are hair transplant specialists with more than 10 years of experience. Advanced technology and certificate medical team. At Capeltech, you will enjoy a high-quality procedure and with a lifetime warranty. With more affordable prices than the US and personalized attention. Traveling to Colombia for your hair transplant is the best decision. Your chance starts here. Come to Medellín and we will do your hair transplant with us. Schedule your appointment today.